Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video of SDD with your mentor Vivek. So in this lesson we will be talking about Flexbox. In the last lesson we floated things and dropped clear fixes everywhere. That works, but for small interface pieces there's a better way. Flexbox. It's a CSS layout technique that makes alignment almost automatic. In about 15 minutes, you'll see how Flexbox handles workshop hubs, nav bars, dashboard, toolbar actions, and class filter buttons. Way less work than floats. Let's move to setup and display flex. Quick setup. A folder called Flexbox revision and index.html, style.css. Type the emit shortcut HTML5 and you've got your skeleton. Inside a section with the class flex container and a few div classes equal to box inside it. Same structure we would use for a row of filter buttons. Give each box a border, a background, 120 by 120 pixels, and matching line height. They look fine, but they are stacked vertically. The old way, float left plus clear fix, more work. Now the magic on the container. Set display flex. Instantly the boxes line up side by side. No floats, no clear fix. That's the Flexbox core. Now direction, wrap and flow. Now let's control how items flow. Flex direction. Default is row, left to right. Flip to column and they stack top to bottom. Row reverse and column reverse, just flip the order. Flex wrap. Default no wrap means boxes squish to fit on one line. Set wrap and extra boxes drop to a new row instead of shrinking. Lazy. Combine both with flex flow. Flex flow row wrap sets direction and wrap in one go. Justify and align. Here's where Flexbox really shines. Alignment. Justify content. Controls the main axis. Left to right in a row. Flex start, flex end, center, space between, pushes items apart, space around, adds equal space around each, space evenly, makes every gap identical. Align items handle the cross axis perpendicular to the main one. Center them, flex start to stop, flex end to bottom, or stretch to fill the container. And baseline aligns text baselines. Got multiple wrapped rows? Align content, spaces the rows themselves. Single line, it does nothing. Multiple lines, it controls the gaps between rows. Child props and outro. Flexbox doesn't just style the container, you control each child too. Order. Reorder items without touching the HTML. Set a number, the box jumps to that spot. great for reordering filter buttons on the fly. Flex Grow lets a box expand to soak up extra space. Set it to 1 and it grows. Flex Bases sets the base size before growing. Between these, your filter row adapts to any width. And that's Flexbox. Flexible, responsive, and the cleanest way to align small interface pieces. Next up in our refresher, we will be covering CSS Grid for dashboards and data-heavy screens. So until the next chapter, next time, peace out.